Hola, ¿cómo estás? My name is Shantell. Thank you for joining and watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you reapply one of your current and previous wigs and change the part from a middle to a side, and also how to get a couple of little curls up in there, you feel me? Just little loose waves, all done with a straightener. Didn't really take long at all, probably took up 10 minutes. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how exactly I go about doing so, and hopefully you find this interesting. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. So typical, right? Let's jump right into it without further ado. Okay, so first things first is whenever I want to change the part of my wig, I will go in and start to line up the part where I would now like it to stay. So this can be a bit difficult because usually when the hair is molded into a particular part, it can be a bit annoying to change it over. So I kind of create a base part, and then I go in and start molding it and shaping it. I'm going to take some mousse and just apply that to the hair because apply that to the hair because right now it's a little bit bulky, a bit hard to kind of manipulate, and therefore products that are going to just help get it acting right, you know. Okay, so as you see, that's step one of moving the hair over, but we still got a long way to go. So you kind of just eye it up and see where you're happy for your hair to sit. So sometimes when the part is a little bit what is the word I'm looking for at this stage? I don't even know. But essentially, when you want to open up your part, all you need to do is just go in with a bit of concealer. I don't always recommend plucking because over time your frontal does shed. Over time your frontal does shed. So I think it's better to go in and conceal the line, because what you then find is if you pluck and then go in with concealer, you look like you got the whole, it'd be looking real wide, and that is not cute. I mean, I know it's quarantine and we're gonna be indoors, but the second you finish up out the house and people look at your wig, they're gonna be laughing at you. Now what I'm gonna do is basically just find my concealer brush and then I lost my train of thought. Find my concealer brush and then part. Now I need to get up. Just so you ain't putting no concealer brush in here. Okay, I'm back. So what we're gonna go in and do now is just open up that part and lay it down with the hot comb. I don't really like doing this when it's on me. I just get anxiety, it's hot, so bruh, my wires are tangled. Right now, you guys are probably looking at me like, you're holding the hot comb that way. Listen, I have odd ways of doing things on myself. Obviously, when I do hair on clients, it is not like this. But yeah, don't mind me, guys. Okay, now that is hot. I can feel that coming through. What's going on today? I can't part. You know what? I'm tired of this. I'm trying to do things in a very non-awkward way. Like when I use the hot comb, I don't actually ever glide over like this. I tend to do it like this. I don't know. Don't ask me why. Whoa! And then, bruh, I was coming straight for my skin. Lord of mercy. So now that we've done that, we are going to conceal our part with a concealer brush. And if you get a bit on the hair, that's okay. You can just wipe it off and clean it. Now, what I'm gonna do, because it's still looking a little narrow, is go in with the concealer again. And then if I feel like it needs plucking, I will go in and pluck. Now that we've got our part on lock, now usually I would slick down my edges I don't know why I'm being so bush today. Quarantine just got me feeling a bit. But anyway, well, as I said, we're just gonna go into our wig and line it up ear to ear. Just check that we're happy with the positioning or placement. If you're not, you can move it forward, and then we're gonna start getting it ready to glue. So, as I'm wearing makeup, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just so that when we apply the adhesive, we don't have any issues in terms of product buildup or it looking a bit gunky. It's never cute. So we're not gonna have that problem because we're going to clean our skin. Okay, so we're just gonna get a piece of material. You could use tissue. In this case, I'm being a little ratchet and using the band that I'm gonna use. We're gonna flip our wig up. Shout out to Kibenzo, she just messaged me. I'm gonna flip our wig up, and as I said, just clean that area so that it's smooth when we come to apply our unit. And also, if we rubbing alcohol be revealing any little cuts that you might have. So now that we've cleaned that, we are going to just position our wig again. I tend to do this several times because I really like to see everything, each and every step. And we're just going to see if it aligns with where we want it to be. If it does, we move on to the next step. The adhesive I use is actually by Ghostbond. I think I'm going to start switching to it because I'm just not really too keen on this glue. I don't know, my skin gets quite oily and I feel like recently it just isn't doing the job for me, but I've used it on clients before and it seems to be fine. Maybe it's just me. Probably time for a bit of a change. Now, one thing I always tend to do for some reason is apply the adhesive onto the back of my hand and then go in and refill if needed. We're just going to flip our wig back. That area that we just cleaned is nice and ready for application. Apply directly to the skin, and we're just going to start in the middle section and apply a few dots and then smooth it out. That's just the way that I do it. I am no guru by any means. So obviously you want to be applying the glue where it is that you're gonna put the lace. Try to be as precise as you possibly can, because it's not very nice when the glue isn't aligned with the wig and you know it starts to catch product. It just looks a little bit odd. It doesn't look as flawless as it could do. Now once that dries, I'm gonna go in with another layer. Wait until that dries clear, and then flip the wig over and press it down into the skin. Now when you feel like it's dried clear enough, you're just gonna go in and flip that wig down into the area that you have just set out. Now, some people just say don't use your fingers because of the oil and product buildup that's on there, which can be true, but honestly, just have fun with it. We finna be looking flawless over here. Now that we've done that side, we're gonna do the exact same step on both sides. Now that that's where we drop things. Now that that's done, we're just gonna lift up the other side and move this clip over here. I'm being lazy. Should really just put it on the clip. And repeat the same step. Everything is pretty much elastic band. You can get these at the hair shop. The same elastic bands that you would usually use to secure and tie down your wig. Sorry. Disaster. Whilst the band is on, you can either go in with your hot comb once again and just smooth out any areas you feel. Please, you better not break. Cool, so I started moving on to styling the wig. Obviously I sped this part up because it can be a bit tedious. I straightened it and then I decided to actually just go in with some curls with the straightener afterwards. So you're gonna see me straighten it all out and then add some add some curls to the end. And yeah. To be honest, it's not really necessary to straighten your hair all out and then curl it. That is very time consuming, but I was just really indecisive. I didn't really know exactly what I was doing, so in terms of what look I was going for. So I ended up straightening it and then going in and curling it. So yeah. I then decided to go in and add some light layers just to give the hair a bit more body. So that's what you see me doing now. And now time for the big reveal. We are taking off that band and ooh honey, ooh. Now sometimes, or for whatever reason in this case, a little bit of the wig decided to lift, so no problem, no biggie. Just go back in with your glue, adhesive, spray, and just fix that area. Also go in with a bit of concealer or foundation, just to make sure that that base is really melted. Don't you think it's cute, guys? Let me know what you guys think. Comment, tell me what you thought, you would probably do or do differently. Feel free to let a girl know. And yeah, we signing out, y'all. We signing out.